Hello and welcome to Prudent News. Now a look at the headlines. Cabinet approves affidavit appealing resumption of mining. Affidavit in Supreme Court in next week. Courts ban based on false info, claims government. Parrikar challenges Justice Hegde on Goa Lokayukta. Government to change recruitment rules. No correspondence degrees for government jobs. To consider only degrees with fully attended classes. Legislation soon to control mushrooming degree shops, says CM. No deep sea fishing till 5th February. Federations to meet on Tuesday in Mumbai to chalk out future plan. Goan Federation to meet CM. Fish markets going dry. Prices soaring high. Vehicle parking no more free at Part1 Plaza. Parking for heavy vehicles only if EDC permits. Security of parked vehicles not a concern, says EDC. Government to categorize and specify sector-wise concessional rates for power connections. Department plans to outsource meter readers. Government intends to discontinue power purchase from Reliance, says CM. Baroda Barons shock Mumbai Matadors in ONGC 2020 cricket finals. Now the news in detail. Goa government will submit its affidavit for resumption of mining in the Supreme Court by next week. Cabinet has approved the draft of affidavit on Friday. CM Parrikar has said that mining was banned following a false petition by the petitioners. Parrikar has challenged the former Lokayukta of Karnataka, Santosh Hegde, for a face-to-face debate on Lokayukta issue. Hegde has charged that CM Parrikar was interested in a Lokayukta who believed in yes sir concept.
कॅबिनेटान एफिडेविट अप्रूव केल्ल्या सोमार मंगळारा फायल जातले. एफिडेविटाक कॅबिनेटाच्या अप्रुवलाची गरज नासता, बट दीस वी हॅव मेन्शन्ड इट दॅट दीस इज द कॅबिनेट अप्रूव्ड एफिडेविट जस्ट टू गिव इट अ फिलिंग टू द concern that the government is fully behind it. एफिडेविटाचे पेयर इंट्रीम ऑर्डर 5-10 तारखेक जी पळय दिल्या ती वेकेट कर म्हणून. It is based on false information given by the petitioner. It is based on mischievous interpretation of various issues, and it is without taking into consideration. So Shah Commission also will write things based on evidence produced before it. So if the evidence produced before it is by the same mine department which is in doldrum, how do you say that Shah Commission is perfect? That this government had already started taking action on illegal mining. आम्ही आमचो एक्शन प्लान समोर दवरला आनी सुप्रीम कोर्टाक सांगला की प्रत्येक गजाल चेक केल्या शिवाय आमी हे करपाक दिवचे ना. इतलेंच न्हय जाल्यार आमी हे तांकां सांगला की तुमकां जाय जाल्यार तुमी एक मॉनिटरींग मनीस अपॉयंट केल्या जाता, बट लेट स्टेट गव्हर्मेंट डिसायड, बट नॉट दिस करंट CEC. But if this is not kept, there will be people who will file complaints after complaints on a particular officer and blackmail him into working to his liking. तू Irish Rotrixaचे विचार मरे ऑफिसरांक वचांनी कितें करता ते. He has got a paid people standing outside many offices. तलाट्यान आपले कडेन 50 रुपया मागले म्हणून लोकायुक्ता कडेन तक्रार केली जाल्यार लोकायुक्त will become defunct. लोकायुक्त is not for small complaints. Lokayukta is basically for major frauds committed at political level, governmental level and top bureaucracy level. That day he said, Parrikar wants yes, let him take back that word first. If he still holds that comment, then he should say so, or he should apologize to me first, if he is a man of integrity then. He will apologize on the other issue also. I am ready to take him head on, put up a television in Goa, I will ask him question, what is wrong in that.
Meanwhile, Congress has strongly opposed the amendments in Lokayukt.
जे पळय कितें घडलां लोकायुक्ताचेर तेचेर आतां कित्याक लोकांनी जर फुडाकार घेतलो आतां इंडिया अगेन्स्ट करप्शना किंवा आनी खुबशे एनजीओ जे लोकायुक्ताक लागून डिमांड करताले बरे लोकपाल बील येवचे म्हणून डिमांड करताले तेंच्या वांगडा सदैव आमी आमच्या पक्षातर्फे त्या लोकां वांगडा सगळे आसतले.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Correspondence degrees will not be valid for acquiring government jobs. Chief Minister Parrikar has said that government intends to change the recruitment rules. Only degrees from colleges with fully attended classes will be considered. He was replying to a question raised by Pramod Sawant. Pratap Singh Rane raised issue of mushrooming correspondence and other colleges in the state exploiting the situation. CM said government will bring out a legislation in the budget session to control such mushrooming degree shops.
माझो क्लियर प्रश्न आसा ह्यो सगळ्यो कॉलेजी वॅलीड आसा काय कितें
त्यामुळे सरकार ह्या विशयाचेर सिरियसली कन्सिडर करता आनी म्हाका दिसता एक म्हयनो 2 म्हयन्याचो निर्णय जातलो की ऑल RRs will be amended to make it compulsory that qualification shall be fully attended class qualification. ते म्हणजे ओपन युनिवर्सिटीच्यान एक्सटर्नल केल्लें क्वॉलिफिकेशन त्या RRाक वॅलीड जावचें ना. We are introducing
take out some sort of a notification or some law has to be there that only recognized colleges can function in the state.
That is why I said government is coming out with an legislation in the next assembly.
You take out an ordinance, we don't mind.
Wherein any educational qualification granted by anyone in the state of Goa by running a course or a college, if it is not approved in advance by the concerned educational department, lower education or higher education or technical education, it will be criminal offense. And those people who indulge in that can be criminally prosecuted for that.
I don't want you to wait for the assembly session. You take out an ordinance.
I'll consider.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Trawlers will be off the sea for more days. State Fishing Federation resolved on Friday to continue fishing ban till 5th February. Federations across the nation will meet on 5th in Mumbai for a crucial decision on current crisis. Trawlers are off the sea since last Saturday and the prices of fish in the markets are soaring high.
Seems like Goans will have to go vegetarian for more days. Delegation of All Goa Fishing Federation is back from Delhi after meeting Union Petroleum Minister Veerappa Moily. Unhappy with the outcome of meetings in Delhi, Federation had a meeting of trawler owners on Friday. They have decided to continue fishing band till 5th February. Vice President Simon Pereira briefed the trawler owners on the crisis.
आमचो प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व जाल्लो पण आमी दुसरे स्टेटी बरोबर आमची सॉलिडॅरिटी दाखोवपाक दिल्ली गेले 5 जाण. तेन्ना तो वीरप्पा मोईली कडेन फोनाचेर उलयलो आनी वीरप्पा मोईली ताका सांगपा लागलो की आपणाक खुशी फिशरमॅनांक काडपाक पण मिस्टर शरद पवार सांगता ते शुगर मिल हाय तेंकाय भायर काड म्हणून दितले ते काडपाक म्हणपा लागलो आपणाक डिफिकल्ट जाता कित्याक एक वर्साक म्हणपा लागलो की ते 7,000 crores तेका लॉस जाता आमकां तो इतले भायर काडीत जाल्यार मार्केट पळय हा तो चालू उरतलो पण आमी कर्नाटकाचे पळय नुस्तें बाजारान येवपाक दिवपाचें ना कित्याक हांवें आयकलां कर्नाटका बोटी चालू आहाय म्हणून आनी तेमी आमकां सपोर्टूय करना कित्याक तेंगेले पळय हा तेंचे जेट्टीचेर तेंचे 2 भाशेचे पंप हा तेंका रिटेलूय पंप हा आनी बल्कूय पंप हा तेंका.
Trawler owners from all the states will meet in Mumbai on 5th February for a crucial decision. Goan delegation back from Delhi informed media that Union Agriculture Minister Sharad Pawar wants to exclude sugar mills and mechanized fishing from industrial sector. But the move might take longer time. State Federation will meet CM Parrikar on 8th February to discuss subsidy on bulk diesel and probable solution on the crisis.
त्यांच्या आता 5 तारखेर रत्नागिरी मिटींग हा ते बॉम्बे वयतले ते मिटींगेक आनी ते मिटींगेक ते 5 तारखेर मिटींग हा तेजी आनी आमी आयज आमी हें घेतला की आमचो फायनल आन्सर घेतला की आमी 5 तारखेर पासून बोटी बंद जातले आनी तांकां फूल सपोर्ट दितले म्हणून 8 तारखेर आमकां संग मिटींग हें आमचो अपॉयंटमेंट हा आनी पर्रेकारान सांगलां आपण तुमकां कितें पळय प्रॉब्लेम्स तुमचे पळय कितें हा तुमच्या मदें बसोन आपण सॉल्व करतलो म्हणून.
Surendra Madkaikar for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.